made it here at Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. Took me about an hour to get here and about 10 minutes to look for parking. So like I drove around the neighborhood and then I just ended up parking here at this public parking space. So right now is about lunchtime and let's go and take a walk. As you can see, it's a nice day. We're gonna take a tour through the arcade. So we're actually above and the arcade is down below. As you can see, all the rides are still closed because of, COVID-19, COVID protocol, but you're still able to walk around, go to the beach, swim, and dine out. If I had my swim trunks with me, I'd probably go swimming. But, maybe next time. After I take a tour of like the rides on this boardwalk, we're gonna go to that boardwalk right there. There's a lot of restaurants over there and you can actually fish. So in the meantime, probably gonna spend a couple of minutes here and I'm gonna show you, all the rides. And one of these days when they open back up, definitely want to go on this ride. Haunted house. Everything looks different the last time I've been here because of COVID. Most of the places are shut down. The food are shut down, but it's alright, we're gonna explore. They even got the fireball ride, a roller coaster, and a lot of places are shut down. Hopefully it opens back up soon. Now look at this, we have the classic photo booth. If you want to take quick photo with you and your significant other. And actually have places for you to dine out. And look at this classic ride. Look at this half is shut down, usually it's open. Let's take a look on this side. Yep. This is where all the popular rides are and it's pretty much closed until COVID is lifted. Alright, let's make a U-turn and head towards the... Now we're at one of the arcade. Classic Batman. That's shut off. Casino. Well, casino arcade. Let's go and take a look. that boardwalk. This is a nice little picnic area with some artificial grass. Where you look, you have to pay toll. There's no free parking. Even neighborhood right here, you have to pay. Look at that. Play a little beach volleyball. A nice and interesting restaurant here, but I'm not hungry today. I'm gonna eat at home, so it's fine. Right, finally made it to the boardwalk I was telling you about. Has a few benches here. You want to sit, relax. Couple of swimmers, and a lot of boat on that side for fishing, right? Let's take a guess there. Where all the rides are. They may have this if you want to like zoom in and look for Jupiter, but just kidding. Oh, look at that, a whole bunch of waves. Look at that, I got my own little name. Gateway to the Bay. Been walking for like an hour now, and it seems like I'm the only Asian here, but no big deal. We are humans, same blood. Well, not the same blood, but we all have red blood, so it's all good. But you were allowed to fish and crab, but I guess not. You're gonna have to hop on that boat and then you'll be able to fish. Look at that, there's another location. You can actually sit, relax, but look at the sign. No alcohol and do not feed them. This store. That's my name on it. Buddha and Makai. Little bar. Let's take a walk this way. You actually have some people fishing right there. So I'm guessing you have to walk farther down to be able to fish. What is this? Oh, this is a nice place. They come with your loved one, your family, your friends, your bestie, significant other. I highly recommend this place. So now we're walking on this side of the boardwalk. As you can see, that's basically the end of it right there. But you know, they have a few benches. You want to sit, relax. Have the seagull barking for food. And look, you can actually see the roller coaster from here. Let's see if we can zoom in. Yep. Okay, so this is pretty much it on this boardwalk. Now we're gonna make a U-turn and head back towards my car. We actually have more than a few people fishing. They even have some workers here just in case you have some people that break the law and decide to fish or swim around this shallow, well, it's not really shallow, but this part of the ocean. This is actually a nice view right here. Let's zoom in. Look at that. Trying to get a suntan like me. Finally made it to the end. Let's cross over. Make a right. Then head back towards my car. We're just there now. We're back at where they're playing beach volleyball. Now we got more beach volleyball. Look like some kind of college tournament. Not sure. So we gotta go across the street. Make a left right here. We gotta go to that red little, look like a house, and insert my ticket and then pay for the ticket. You gotta go pay for the parking ticket. Alright, so we've been here. Well, we arrived at 12:08. Right now it's 1:20, so we've been here for like an hour and a few minutes. $10 for parking. Now let's go and look for my car. Look at that, I see it. And this is the reason why I park far away from everyone else, so I'll be able to find my car from far away and I won't have no scratches or dents on my car. Most people tend to do that. Alright, we are back in my car. It's pretty hot. I'm actually breaking a sweat, you know, from the humidity from the sun. And it was actually a nice place here. It would have been a lot better if the rides were open, but I'm pretty sure maybe around June or July it's gonna reopen, you know, once the COVID ban gets lifted. But yep, this is an enjoyable experience. It's a good experience, you know, to spend time with friends, family, friends, or your loved one, or your significant other. Now let's turn on the GPS and let's see how long it'll take me to head home. And until then, thanks for tuning in.